So guys, in my bedroom right now, and I just want to make a video of the Hoover vacuum cleaner. Now I got another one. Right here is the back of the machine. This is my Hoover wind tunnel self-propelled anniversary bagged upright vacuum cleaner. I got this and I've been having this over a year ago now, and I got this. I bought this back in 2014 from not eBay but from Sears, brand new. Cause they had these out on like display, but they give me a brand new, my bad. A brand new one. Now the older wind tunnels I used to have, well, the thing is I bought more and I had another one. I should have made a video of that, but it's at my aunt's house, so, and I get the other wind tunnel to my aunt. So both aunts I give wind tunnels to, and then the other one, the ones I bought, I'm not sure how I should tell you. They're broke down, so I broke them down, and all that shit. So yeah, anyway, I went to a self-propelled upright vacuum cleaner. It had attachments on it, and lost the attachments. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get some more. Some more. Hope so. Up here, I really don't like this. I really don't like these type of holders because this side, this piece broke off the turbo tool, and you can't see it. Right there. It's broke off, and yeah, that's right. So I really don't like those. Like, must maybe. Anyway, so I really don't like those. Oh, anyway, sit back, park. Still a bit dusty, you see. Oh, I had, before I had this bag, I had this the whole time I was supposed to bring it to Texas with me, but I said, fuck it, I'm just gonna, be here because they might need to change bags for it, so, yes. Right now, I had a cloth bag and they got full, so, and I'm totally using a, paper bag, white bag. You can see clearly dirt on it, that's why it goes through the door. I really don't like this type. Okay. Filters. Oh, okay. Filter. Right there. Right there. Need light on it. Okay. Okay. Filters. It looks like we need a brand new filter, but Till then, still operating. Um, um, down here, brush roll. Anyway, that's good. Can't see it pretty much. Brush, wheels. Series it up. Use my vacuum. I usually have it like high cover is number 3, medium, low, and it's the height. Right there, like the levels on the carpet. So usually I put it on low. Like this. Oh shit. Yeah. So right here, turn brush roll on and off right here, and this is on automatic. If this is on, there'll be an automatic brush roll that cuts the brush roll on itself. So yeah, it's in the garage. Pretty much that's all of it, and also can't really see, so but there. There. So anyway, that's it. For this, the lights, we got headlight to see in the dark. You can't see at all, but usually it comes on momentarily. The bulb needs to be replaced in it. For this is your high regular carpet. I usually have it on hard carpet because I can get clean as much. For this, green and red, green means clean, red means dirty, you know. And yeah, it's not touching inspection. These are the attachments on this. Oh yeah, attachments are downstairs, that's why, so yeah. And what you can see. Oh, my number is G6485900.